Advantages of heavy equipment maintenance and inspection. Part 3. Reduce the need for a replacement as much as possible. The expense of equipment isn't the only possible stumbling block for your business. When it comes to purchasing new equipment, time is not on your side. It isn't as simple as going to the hardware shop and purchasing a few goods. Instead, connect with a local equipment dealer or search for a reputable internet marketplace that sells used equipment. Local dealers may or may not have the same equipment specifications as your now broken machine. This may force you to order it from a dealer who isn't close by, resulting in additional costs and delivery time. The same issues could arise when ordering used equipment from a variety of sources. A similar piece of heavy equipment may be purchased from a different part of the country, requiring you to plan delivery, which will add to your downtime. Not to mention, you'll want to be sure the used equipment is in good working order and won't cause any problems in the future. Obtain mental tranquility. Workplace stress is unavoidable, no matter how calm you are. Trying to manage a job site and a group of operators is a difficult task. When you add in the lingering worry about your equipment's condition, the burdens seem to multiply. If you don't have a maintenance plan in place and don't use equipment maintenance software to help, the looming threat of problems should make you feel compelled to act quickly. Added pressure. It's pointless and, to be honest, somewhat avoidable to be concerned about your equipment. At the end of the day, knowing that your equipment is working properly and that you won't have to worry about a problem is virtually priceless. Risk aversion is a valuable commodity, and heavy equipment maintenance is one of the most important rungs on your operations success ladder. For more information, call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.